real life things like this. Pooh! I can't explain, no. All right, how are they? Una welcome. All right, so the same just do sharp, and then we'll continue with the whole show. So, ladies and gentlemen, her name is Mayowa, and of course, my name is Ogbolo. And welcome to the Paddy Show, all right? Hi, everybody there. Mayowa, they form mute for now.
No, I guess something I want to say, very
Yeah,
important.
say it to them quickly.
I need, no, when we come back.
When we come back?
Yes.
All right, so we come back right
It's
now.
not rushing.
Well, now, welcome to the show, okay? So, don't go nowhere. We have started our own craze and information.
Bye-bye.
Hey, what are you saying?
Why can I not get a boyfriend?
Because I'm not letting you get a boyfriend.
Why not?
Because you're not getting one.
Dad, I can get a boyfriend if I want to get a boyfriend.
Daddy'll break his legs.
No!
Yes, I will.
Dad,
And guess what will happen after that?
What?
See, your boyfriend's daddy. Daddy'll take him hostage and keep him in a cupboard.
Dad, listen. I want a boyfriend. I'm getting a boyfriend.
You're not getting a boyfriend, you're going to be a nun. You're going to be a nun. You're going to work for Jesus.
No, I'm not. I'm going to get a boyfriend.
They're who you're going to work for.
No, I'm
They're
not.
who you're going to work for.
If I want one.
End of story.
Hi, Dad.
See, Dad, listen. Hey! Listen, Daddy's going to break his leg.
I'm going to get a boyfriend.
You're going to work for Jesus.
I said, I lie. You must work for Jesus. You will be
All
a
right.
nun.
Amazing shout out. I want to give to this particular lady. Her name is Jane. I met her for Shalanga on Top Sunday. Jane is a die-hard fanatic of yourself and me.
Yow.
Jane, no, they miss them for anything at all. Especially her children. They were so. One of the children see me begin cry.
That's why I say one on Sunday too. That's him saving me. You get the blush. My friend.
Thank you so much, Jane, for waking up and expressing. Thank you so much. I met a couple of other people who I don't even remember her name, but the incidents with her stuck in my head. Yes.
Anyway, all of our fans and watchers and viewers, we really appreciate all of them, like my work, and just keep remaining and being our true fans. We don't be so far.
Yes. So you see, every time we look this thing, go be like our eye they shifts go there. They don't know what we they look.
Don't worry.
Get used to it. Our eye go they move left, right, and center. I don't understand. Now this thing I want to talk about.
Yes.
Please come.
Wow.
Ogbolo, warn these people. Especially some of them waiting for here. Warn them.
Who now waiting for here?
The one waiting for outside. Warn them.
You waiting for outside.
Ask me say wetin happen.
Wetin happen?
Somebody look me say, why every time I go to wear sandal or something, the kind slippers, wear shoes when I they wear. I can't say, come, let me tell you something. You see this show what we they do? Now every day.
Yes.
Every day, Monday to Friday, live. Number 2,
Yes.
we are human beings.
Yes.
Not be every day we dey mood to wear high heel
Yes.
or to package.
Yes.
Sometimes, as a human being that you are,
Exactly.
it's okay. So forget what I wear. Listen to what I get to tell you.
Oh, da.
Okay? Because what I get to tell you is more important than the shoe where they my leg. Because if you hold on to what I get to tell you, your life is going to be better. That is the truth.
Yeah.
That is the truth. So is it your concern if I don't wear high heel?
Yeah.
Is it your concern if I don't wear your high heel? What is your problem?
Don't mind them, Ojare. They are jealousy for your bling on your sandals.
Yes. Why are you ignoring the important things? That's the problem of this country. Subsidy. They have to remove it.
Yes. So everybody now is mates.
Everybody just angry. Why?
So now no show my picture since. Now they do this. I can't believe I was going slim during the. Voila. We know. And do I look slimmer? No, I don't. I be like Usora small.
No, you just there, alright. You look like you're rested.
My dear, I try rest, but no rest the rest.
But it's better than when you dey stressed out.
Of course, it's better than. No, yesterday I get some TLC. Yesterday evening.
Nadia Katim see you.
No.
Ah! Only me understand this, my love.
So if Katim there for that place, that means Katim not a bad girl. You understand? Because no. See, for that place where that place na place for go and relax and just put your head. So you have to do it with somebody that is your person. No, you go sit down and look water like this. Now water place. Auntie, calm down. Don't they sing
Juke you.
Don't they sing anything. Anyway, we could go for Yan the Yan. Abi, na Yan the Yan.
Yeah.
Yan the Yan.
Wow. What a well-shaped game.
No, celibacy. Pause.
Okay,
Right.
and we are back.
And we're back.
You see, in a very beautiful thing, if you get grandchildren,
Yes.
grandmothers, grandfathers, great-grandfathers, and mothers can testify. If you get grandchildren, a very amazing thing. I mean, you begin to live your life only for them, really.
2 generations from you.
Yes.
And be the grand
Yes,
picking, not
that's
be small
2
thing, no.
decades and all.
Two-
But this particular woman, hey, Carmen Bang from North Carolina, my sister, my brother, Feyuas at home, she carry her own to another level. Ask me what she do.
What she
Ask me
do?
what she do.
What she do?
I'm gonna tell you.
Tell
You
me.
know what she do? She go check out design of wallpapers, design of cushion and chair covers. When she can't see the one where she want, now she send them, picking them picture, her granddaughter and her grandson. Her wall, then design her with her face. 30 different pictures of her grandchildren, and she take do wallpaper. She can't design another, something like that, similar to put for her chair, and then she can't get the shirt. She said, look, since I moved and I retired, she be 60 years old.
Wow.
These are my joy. So why can't I there have a house where all the house is full of their faces? Let them be reminding me that I have a reason to live. She said, I'm a very proud grandmother. They are my joy, they are my life. They give me hope. So please, if I decide to paint the streets, that is the wallpaper.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
That is the wallpaper.
Oh,
she
to
even
the
wear
grand-
shirts of her grand.
She can't blend. She can't blend
She
with
can't
the
blend with her wall.
With the wall.
She even get her for cushion and chair. You know, see her chair. You know, see that
Yeah,
throw
now.
pillow.
Everything just blend. But this is the joy of parenting. Say you born, the one where you can't born your own. Or the many the way you can't born, all of them can't born their own. Pum. Only you can't stand, can't look all of them and say, wow, from my rough play, now this generation
Just come out.
fall out like this.
You know, I have this
God.
friend, and sometimes she go look her children. Maybe when she get twins, one boy, one girl. They don't grow now, they're about a year plus. She go look there when they crawl, especially without their diaper. You know, say they come get her to go make their bum come big one
Yeah,
half.
come big,
They
one
come
round.
up and down. She go look them that time when they be like 4 or 5 months. She go just look them. They do it, they laugh. She go come do. She go smile. Emi mo they be one. She go tap me. She go say, "Na me born them." Is they sweet?
Now from me come out.
Is they sweet?
Not
See
joke.
her.
Granny just dey happy, I beg. At this point, see, now I dey tell you, see, man, look, for life, the things the way you dey pursue right now, actually look am well. Now they matter for life. You understand? Some people they chase money now. Last, like when you don't reach like this woman age, you can't realize say no be the money matter, no be groove matter. Now family and loved ones, last, and memories the way you don't keep with them, now it matter the most. And imagine what she they go to now mentally. You're the happy and say, wow.
She said people think say she dey craze. Say she tell them, say, look, anything one woman I think.
Now my joy.
She say her grandchildren come, they can't go the wall. You know, they never to grow.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's me.
That's so now.
Oh, look at me.
Then they feel like-
Oh no, look at you. She said she go come, they look them, say, oh, it's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, for those of you now wait for us, they watch right now, see they hope to God, say one day you say good job, born your own and go, no worry. Your time is coming. You understand? My hair is never too late with God.
I want a boyfriend.
See this one. When I'm good, I'll change that for you.
You see that first film where we watch?
Which one?
That please would I go play him again after Ogbolo Yandi and that first this thing now. Listen, Dad.
But all these small children these days, I know you all know it's in the. Anyway, all right, for my own now, this gist, see, good people see this life, you understand? And the fact say, man, one way or the other, the thing where you dey try chase for life, never really click, you feel still do enough good with your own life, all right? Now, I've been reading the story of one woman for Instagram some days back, where jam one small girl. This small girl na beggar. I think that for Benin Republic or so.
No, it happened in Ghana.
Na for Ghana.
And
And for
the
Ghana.
small
Yes,
girl
one
na
small
all
girl.
this,
All these girls they beg for road. The auntie come,
Excuse me.
the auntie come, the girl come meet and say, auntie, give me money. Auntie come say she no get money. Say she say hungry, they catch am.
She never chop since
She never chop since morning. The small girl come carry the small money which she don't beg.
Go give her.
Carry give auntie. Auntie
girl-
come say,
No go do me.
say this one no go do me, take chop. Now the girl go say, auntie, no worry, I dey come. She come go where she put the remaining money, come bring out her savings.
Plus her brother own.
Plus her brother own, come carry and come back, come give the auntie. Auntie say, auntie, this one go do you, take chop.
I know where I go carry you, go
I know
where
where
you go fit chop
go-
food
where you
with
go
this
fit chop
money.
food with this money. It just show me something. Say last she come talk say okay. The last the auntie come complain one thing again. The girl come say okay, no worry. I know say you no go feel beg. Make
Yeah,
I don't
go
go
beg
beg
for you.
for more. Take carry come give you. Last the auntie come say say no worry, just keep all your money. The girl come look say it's no sweet and for mine. It only show say man, good people still dey.
Oh yeah.
See that small girl now, even in nothing where she not get, she still gets small coins. So
She feels say this auntie fit no fit. Me I fit, make I give her. Me I go feel hustle. She no go feel hustle.
Some no get that they give.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, some get they don't even agree give at all. For the story what I get from my hand here, this particular guy, Mitalal, na Indian name, so no worry. Mitalal Cindy. Yeah, how do they pronounce that?
Sinhi, this
Sinhi,
Sinhi. Mital or something.
Okay.
Mital. No, that's my second continent.
all
Stop
these
it.
Telemundo girls.
No, it's not Telemundo. It's called Indian movie. Stop
Indian
it.
movie.
Respect yourself.
Indian
It's
movie.
Bollywood.
Okay.
Bollywood.
Okay, how many of Nollywood don't you have watched?
It doesn't matter much.
Okay.
Bollywood.
The Bolly, the old, the Bolly everywhere. Don't worry. All right, so this one now India, and for the city of Ahmadabad.
Okay.
Okay, this guy now, he not rich, but growing up in the hustle for the area of this their side, but he don't hustle, and something's not too pure. So him and one of him bestie, I don't talk that thing for a long time. In bestie na him best friend. So they just did the hustle. Along the line, bestie can't die. So he can't look say, nobody to bury him. Him on his own can't decide say, okay, make him kuku bury in bestie. You understand? So from there, that's when he can't start that kind of workout. In just anybody, people the way they don't feel come recover their dead body, unclean bodies. You understand? So some people will all die. You know, go fit trace their family. You know, fit trace nobody go fit come clean
And
them.
India has quite a population.
Exactly. The guy now for the past 60 years, in the bury people them way
Nobody.
nobody can claim. He go just bury them out of goodwill, out of just goodwill. Say okay. He go just look say okay. This particular person maybe he be Hindu. He go look the Hindu tradition. He go say okay. To him, he go just follow the Hindu tradition to bury the person. If the person na Buddhist, he go follow the Buddhism pattern. If you be Christian, he go follow the Christian pattern. Take bury you. He say he don't believe in any religion. He only believe in the religion of goodwill. Goodwill. He say because to Ram, religion they tie people down. That's so him. Say religion they tie people down. But for him, the only matter now goodwill for 9 days in mind. To bury people the way people don't come claim. It's just amazing what some people want to use their life to do.
I dey always talk this thing and I go talk them again. As small as you might think it is, if you dey do good thing,
Of course.
If you dey do bad thing, This age and time, nobody they tell you again. If you dey do bad thing, hello, sir, you are very quite aware.
Yeah.
If you are doing a good one, you are aware. So which will you prefer? Will you not prefer to just do a good thing and live your life in a very good way?
But Mayowa,
really?
some people say they do bad thing. They convince themselves it's not good.
That is what, see, it's called self-deceit.
Self-deceit.
The worst thing that can happen to any human being in this
It's
world, na make you get
self-deceit.
self-deceit. Make you know, say something they bad, for something inside your
But you
mitochondria.
dey convince yourself say
You dey convince yourself that
No,
this thing
no,
good.
this thing is good,
But you
it good,
know,
it good. Yeah.
you not only you for this world.
self-deceit.
Come on.
You
Come
understand?
on.
But anyway, now good thing with the guy they do. As work not great work. But this I believe say even God self go recognize what this guy they do.
That's
You
not why he go
understand?
live long.
Yeah, this na very which English language you give me that? Na sacred
Humanitarian
move.
service.
You understand? This is very, very sacred.
It's quite sacred.
I mean, even the host
And
of
there's one
heaven
Bollywood something, Sacred Ties.
until leave this.
Sorry, man, don't miss.
All right, so we'll go watch another video. From there, we'll go break, and then we'll come back. We'll go break, watch video, then come back and continue. Something like that.
AKA to be continued.
Hey, what you saying?
Why can I not get a boyfriend?
Because I'm not letting you get a boyfriend.
Why not?
Because you're not getting one.
Dad, I can get a boyfriend if I want to get a boyfriend.
Daddy'll break his legs.
No!
Yes, I will.
Dad,
And guess what will happen after that?
what?
See your boyfriend's daddy? Daddy will take him hostage and keep him in a cupboard.
Dad, listen. I want a boyfriend. I want a boyfriend. I'm getting a boyfriend.
You're not getting a boyfriend, you're going to be a nun. You're going to be a nun. You're going to work for Jesus.
No, I'm not. I'm going to get a boyfriend.
They're who you're going to work for.
No, I'm
They're
not.
who you're going to work for.
I want one.
End of story.
Hey!
Now they hi. Now they
That last high they off me.
better British accent like this now. Hi.
But you don't get the talk, eh? Like you talk just now. That's
That's what the mama they talk.
I sure. Because
That's
you get
what
the
the
talk
mama
with some kind
Don't
of
see any man the
fierceness
mama they
this
talk.
time.
Now so the mama they
You
talk.
go be like, yeah.
All right, so we're talking about Korean people. South Korea now, for those of you now where they read, we know about Korea, say North Korea. This North Korea now they know they enter anyhow. South Korea, then they very, very, in fact, they call them the world's craziest country because South Korea, they are all out when it comes to internet.
Yeah.
They spend half of their time either tweeting, texting, playing game, and there is even said that for the crowd, for the population, 15 to 20% are addicted to it.
Technology craze.
Addicted to their phones, addicted to technology, addicted to their gadgets and what have you. Now, it can't get on to what they do for South Korea now. They say that they use them to ease off the stress of that addiction. So people will come out for open field. Drop your phones, drop your gadgets, drop your computers, drop your everything we connected to the internet, and you go sit down there for 90 minutes. The person will get the most steady heart race now you win. Because people when they addicted to these things, to their phones, even me sometimes, I don't feel stay 1 hour. Make I not touch my phone, except I dey busy. Except I dey work, they do something. If I work, they do something, then I can go a full day and not touch my phone, really. But I feel even dump am for one place, forget about time. But it dey hard make you not touch your phone. So this time waiting they do, they go just sit down there. They do anything, no. They know they do anything. Not be say you they draw. Not be say you they paint. Not be say you go just sit down there for 90 minutes. Anybody will get steady heart rate now, because some people their hearts go they speed.
Yeah, now
their
say
heart beats go they race. My phone.
Maybe
Oh, I need to send this meeting. I need to play this game. I need to do on this thing. So this one they call us to bring back sanity to South.
He good though. He good. I wish they fit do this one for Nigeria.
Now competition, no.
He good. He good.
The one
Even
where tire quick stand up go carry your phone number.
Me personally, I hate addiction to phones. I hate to see when person does the. Some people come up with their phone for their hand. It go be like who they no give drugs.
Yeah.
For long. They feel they do like this. Their phone must just be. No, personally, I don't try my best to train myself not to be addicted to phone. But some
Same
people
here.
like this one where they here.
No, but I try. You know where my own bad reach.
You say you be gadget free.
You know where my own bad reach. I dey get meeting on top of my phone.
Okay, no. See, some people own different.
I dey
You
get
understand?
meeting.
But since all these things come out, you can't they reduce. You get your own side effects. You understand? Some kind of face-to-face conversation. Boys don't they go toast again for outside.
No.
Now for phone, everything they happen now.
No.
But the next meeting they'll come meet.
Na dinner or
movie
something.
or something.
Yeah.
But that first process of say,
Yeah.
how fun, what's up?
I
man?
know.
You know
The only thing where I train myself to do with my phone are to know text and drive.
of course, that one is very important.
I did everything I can. And it worked. So when I did drive, I even forget say I hold phone.
Some
But
people
the
dey
moment
ping.
I am comfortable and packed.
You have to train yourself either way, you know?
Now, let me tell you the most interesting part of this thing, shortly before we go for Love the Life. Say this thing, it work. You know why I say it work? Because even ordinary 30 minutes when I try them, it work. If for people like me, where they get migraine, where they get headaches very often, and maybe you just sit down, your thoughts are jamming, your head,
Yes,
you know, if you
your head
sleep,
dey
your
busy,
head
you
is
don't
just
dey
thinking.
reason many
Let me
things.
tell you the best thing to do because I do it and it works. Just sit down in a place, off all the lights, dark, and just sit down. Don't do anything. Don't touch your phone. Don't do anything. Just
Off
sit
the
down
phone.
there.
Just off the phone.
Sit down there for 30 minutes. If possible, make lights no there around you or make it as dark as possible and just sit down there.
Just drown the mood. It go calm you down.
Yeah.
Yes. It go calm you down, you know?
Yeah.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I believe somehow all the gist will not carry giving now. Plus the, advice we even my I don't even throw giving now just now. Somehow you don't help somebody who outside there.
Yeah.
All right, so when they come back right now, make we go for Laugh the Laugh.
Hey!
All right.
To my
As-
brother. As bike wiper no
As
dey.
wiper not dey.
Which kind thing be this now?
As chair no
You
dey.
cannot throw away the bicycle.
My
Wow.
dear. Oh, if window not dey, we dey carry the motor come. Invert your own window join. Okay, this one na waiting now. Okay,
Na
the
block
pillar
o.
don't bend. Now they
Eh.
use no be sellotape.
They use paper tape, take hold
They
on.
hold and say you cannot bend and break here.
kind life
You are not the wall of Jericho.
Hey.
Hey!
At all, my brother.
Now, my dear.
You cannot come and go and kill yourself throw away.
When foam not there again, my dear, put shear for there. Anybody wey reason enter here go sit down, abi? Now the idea be that, so you can still sit down.
You go even comfortable pass because you get double. Wow.
If shower not there, carry
Still
bottle.
walk, oh.
He dey work. I don't
This
see my
thing work,
one of my
oh.
friends do one for UI that year. Just put hole for the bum. As the water they come out in, they spread. That's your personal shower. Wow. People they invent. People they invent. This combustible.
No, this is not convertible. This is combustible.
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 Now, oh, Nana.
No, stop it.
Oh, kiss me, kiss me, baby. Oh,
Till
but
I lose control.
this one not be lips, now lisp.
Lisp. My brother.
He don't read for you, bo.
You cannot come and go and kill yourself.
He don't read
No,
for you, bo.
she's in love. If you see this kind of thing, na love. No
Now
worry.
love. Now one black man they put.
Na love, no
yes,
worry.
one black man don't give her love.
Top.
Ration.
Your food no fit better person. You no fit big pass my own.
Ration.
Na ration.
You must take a ration. Me your uncle get 60 kg. My own na 40. What's happen? When you try to help your friend cheat,
But the person
he
no just
is
get
dumb
sense.
as hell.
You know, just guess.
2 + 2, he still draw the hand.
Fine.
See his face, now mumu face he get. Olodo face, that the guy get. If this is your uncle or your brother, you are in trouble.
Top.
He don't
As you
do.
no spoil. As
He
you no
don't do.
spoil.
My dear. We will continue for days with those stuffs.
All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy Paddy, YouTube and Facebook, YouTube /Wazobia TVNG, Facebook /Wazobia TVNG. If you want to talk to us individually, at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Mayowa Ekpo on Instagram, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter, at Ogbolo on Instagram.
All right, guys, we'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Get better day. Bye-bye.
Adios, hasta la vista, baby.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.